Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this one-owner, accident-free 2021 Jeep Cherokee Altitude. Powering this four-wheel drive SUV is a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 8 to 11 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Checking out the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, including a factory subwoofer, access to 12-volt power, as well as a one-touch power liftgate. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express up and down on the front two windows. On the dashboard, you have a button to open and close your power liftgate. The steering wheel has your display controls, hands-free audio, and cruise control. This vehicle currently has 7,929 kilometers. Your infotainment unit controls your heated steering wheel and heated front seats. You also have your climate controls with auto start stop, drivetrain select and power ports, as well as your gear select. This vehicle also has premium leather seats, and the front two seats are power adjustable. As for the back of the interior, you have an amazing view of the panoramic sun and moon roof. You also have storage pockets in the back of both front seats, rear AC, as well as plenty of power ports. The back seats are 60/40 split folding with a flip-down cup holder in the center seat. If you would like to see this 2021 Jeep Cherokee Altitude in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.